Today might be the craziest day for the Shiba Inu community. Over 2 billion tokens gone in just 60 minutes. People are buzzing with excitement. However, there's an issue ongoing with the community, and it's spreading crazy fast. Shiba Inu is being compromised. The devs made their last warning. Is this the end for Shiba Inu? Will it last? And what does it all mean? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. We haven't seen something like this in ages. In an absolutely jaw-dropping move, a staggering 2 billion Shiba Inu tokens were burned in just 1 hour. That's right, 2 billion gone in the blink of an eye. In a span of 60 minutes. That is absolutely enormous. According to data from ShibaBurn, a trusted blockchain wallet tracker, this massive burn was carried out by an anonymous whale in a single, mind-blowing transaction. While that amount sounds colossal, and it absolutely is, it's worth noting that, in dollar terms, it comes to a little under $60,000. Still, it's the sheer scale of this event that has everyone talking. Interestingly, the second largest burn during this period was much smaller, involving just under 1 million Shiba Inu tokens. But when you add it all up, the total burn of over 2 billion tokens has sent the burn rate skyrocketing by more than 3,000%. This kind of movement is massive for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and it's definitely turning heads in crypto space. But here's the twist. Despite this massive burn, Shiba Inu's price has taken a significant hit over the last 24 hours, dipping by about 13%. It's a surprising turn of events, especially after the strong rally earlier in the week. Shiba Inu had been on fire, smashing through key resistance levels and climbing to heights that had everyone buzzing, only to slide back down shortly after. The price analysis shows that Shiba Inu had just broken out of a bullish pattern, sparking hope for a sustained rally. The RSI, used to gauge whether something's overbought or oversold, had already pointed to Shiba Inu being in need of a breather, and this dip might just be that cool-off moment. Even so, most Shiba Inu holders are still in the green. On-chain data reveals that the majority are still making a profit at current levels, which is encouraging. That said, the rally and subsequent drop seem to have been largely driven by big-time holders who control the bulk of Shiba Inu's supply. If the selling pressure continues, or if the broader market takes a downturn, it's hard to ignore the possibility of further declines. This price movement has sparked all kinds of reactions within the Shiba Inu community. And what's interesting, it got people wondering, was this recent surge just a flash in the pan? Or does Shiba Inu actually have the staying power to hold its spot among the top 10 cryptocurrencies? Is this a sign of long-term potential, or just a short-term fluke? Many investors got scared. Some actually sold their holdings. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Unfortunately, this dip in price couldn't have come at a worse time for the Shiba Inu community. Right now, Shiba Inu is dealing with an ongoing issue involving bad actors trying to scam people by pretending to be part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's caused a stir and added an extra layer of frustration for holders. But there's a silver lining. Satoshi Kusama, a Shiba Inu lead developer, has already addressed the situation. In a bold tweet, he assured the community that the team is fully prepared to strike back if these attacks escalate. He even shared a cryptic yet confident message saying, "Took me a moment to realize it, and it only came in a dream. But now I see the Shadowcats plan to take over the DAO. Same plan from before, mostly, new bad actors. It won't succeed as plans are in place for just such actions." The tweet echoed his belief that no scheme against Shiba Inu or its DAO will succeed, as the team has safeguards in place to protect the project and its supporters. His words have reassured many, showing the community that they're not only aware of these issues, but are ready to tackle them head-on. So while this, coupled with today's price dip, might feel like a tough moment for Shiba Inu, it might actually not be. Here's the twist. If you step back and take a broader look, this short-term drop isn't as alarming as it might seem. One Twitter user pointed out an interesting pattern with Bitcoin. For the last 6 months, Bitcoin has dipped at the start of each month, only to bounce back stronger every time. So it's likely the same story with Shiba Inu now. It just followed another Bitcoin decline, which makes sense since the two are often tied together. Plus, it's only the beginning of December, so there's plenty of time for the market to turn around. It feels like this dip is just part of a bigger cycle, and if history is any guide, Shiba Inu could be setting up for its next upward move. And here's the exciting part. Despite all the drama, the constant token burns have actually helped Shiba Inu surge an incredible 72% in price over the past month. That's right. Even with the recent dip, the bigger trend is still pointing up. Talk about resilience. What's even more impressive is the growing buzz around the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With engagement skyrocketing and the blockchain's utility expanding, more and more investors are jumping on board. In just the past week, nearly 7,550 new wallets have joined the movement, proving that the Shiba Inu community is stronger than ever. This kind of momentum shows that Shiba Inu isn't just surviving, it's thriving. With numbers like these, the future's looking brighter every day. Speaking of numbers, there's a growing buzz in the community that Shiba Inu might be gearing up for an explosive rally, with experts predicting a jaw-dropping surge of over 130%. That's right, the price could skyrocket sooner than we think. One Twitter analyst has just shared his bullish outlook for Shiba Inu in a tweet. He pointed out that the current price setup looks incredibly strong, showing a clear and consistent pattern that hints at a major upswing. Based on his analysis, he believes Shiba Inu could break through its next significant price level and continue climbing. Backing this up, another respected market analyst, Javan Marks, called Shiba Inu's recent strength a sign of bigger things to come. He's optimistic that the momentum we're seeing now could push the price much closer to its all-time high. Marks even speculates that Shiba Inu might surge by more than 170%, which would be a monumental move for the token. So, there's absolutely no reason for the community to panic. The Shiba Inu developer team is fully committed and working tirelessly to keep this project in top form. In fact, Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, has just tweeted a heartfelt message, reassuring everyone that she's always there to serve both Shiba Inu and its supporters, no matter the situation. And it's not just words. This team is truly unstoppable. They're working around the clock, whether it's sunny or stormy, day or night, and whether the charts are soaring in green or dipping into red. Their commitment to the project and the community is unwavering, and they're determined to make sure Shiba Inu remains strong and thriving. With a team like this, the future looks bright, and the community can rest easy knowing that Shiba Inu is in the best possible hands. In the end, even with the ups and downs, Shiba Inu is still on a solid path forward. The community's energy, the constant burns, and the dedication of the team all point to a bright future. So it looks like the best option now is to stay excited, stay positive, and watch as Shiba Inu continues to grow and evolve. The best is yet to come. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.